Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Let's kick off this Monday with some fresh insights into Bitcoin's market movements. Last week, I highlighted a long position on Bitcoin, which has been performing well. However, a similar position during the Japan carry trade dump closed at a stop loss of 54,950. I reopened at 53,892, and it's looking promising. Today, Bitcoin surged by over 4%. Historically, Mondays have been positive 64% of the time this year, with an average gain of 3.35%. We're looking at a potential high of 57,000 and a low of 53,500 today. September typically sees its lows around mid-month, but in halving years like 2012, 2016, and 2020, the lows hit early. This could mean we're near the bottom for this month. However, weekly momentum indicates potential downside unless Bitcoin holds above 56,800 or sees a pivot at 59,000. A hold above 50,000 is crucial for the bulls, but a breakdown could see Bitcoin dipping into the 40,000 range. Keep an eye on Wednesday's CPI report. This could significantly influence Bitcoin's direction for the week. Until then, stay cautious. If Bitcoin breaks above 60,000, we might see sustained growth. Otherwise, expect volatility. Remember, our strategies are set, but always be ready to adapt. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates. What are your thoughts on this week's market? Drop a comment below. Stay informed, stay invested. See you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into these trends. And see you in the next one.